Hey guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy Swahili biryani. So in a pot you're going to add some chicken, or you can use some meat. I've used 3 pieces of chicken, sprinkle some salt, black pepper, ginger and garlic paste, a tablespoon each, and squeeze a lemon or lime. Mix, then cover and let the chicken to cook on a medium heat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After approximately 15 minutes, our chicken is ready. Then we're going to do the next step, which I have 3 large potatoes. I've cut them. Then I'm going to add some turmeric powder and some saffron. If you don't have any of those, you can use orange food coloring. Then you're going to deep fry them for approximately 5 minutes. Then you're going to deep fry some onions. I've used 3 large onions, which I've cut them into slices, and I'm going to deep fry them until golden brown like so. We'll start by preparing our biryani stew, which is rojo in another name. In a food processor, you're going to add some chili, approximately 5 pieces or more. Add some green bell pepper, 4 large tomatoes, and a handful of coriander leaves. Mix until everything is nicely blended. Once everything is nicely blended like so, pour immediately in the chicken. Then you're going to add ginger and garlic paste, a tablespoon each, grounded cumin, which is mixed with cardamom, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt to taste, 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and lastly a half a cup of plain yogurt. Without not forgetting, squeeze a half a lemon or lime to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. Mix everything well and let the stew to cook on a medium heat. Once the stew starts to cook and to thicken like so, then we're going to add our potatoes that we fried in the beginning. Mix them properly and let the stew to cook on a medium heat. Make sure the heat is on medium heat to avoid the stew from sticking at the bottom, which is not good. Once the stew is nicely cooked like so, lastly we're going to add our fried onions. Mix them properly and let the stew to cook for another 10 minutes, and our rojo or our stew should be ready, and serve it in a bowl. Like this stew looks absolutely, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Then we're going to start to make our biryani rice. So to make our rice biryani, you'll place a medium pot on a medium heat and pour 3.5 cups of water, some salt, some oil, stir and cover and let the water to boil. Once the water starts to boil, you're gonna add your rice. I've used basmati rice, or you can use any rice that you prefer, but make sure you've cleaned it. Add your rice and stir, and add a bay leaf to add an aroma to your rice, and let it cook until the water is completely dry. Once the water has dried, then you're going to stir the rice using the narrow side to avoid the rice from spilling. Then it's high time to decorate our rice. I'm going to use red food color with some saffron, or you can also use an orange food color. That's up to you. Pour the red food coloring with the saffron and cover using an aluminium foil, and let the rice to cook on a low medium heat for approximately 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, our rice biryani is ready. I'm going to do this step. This is an optional step. I'm going to add the remaining fried onions into the rice and cover again using an aluminium foil. Like this step will make your rice to taste absolutely delicious. And after 10 minutes, our rice is ready. Look how the rice turned out. Like this rice was boom. Yes, the rice came out nicely cooked with this beautiful color, the orange and red with the onions. Oh my god. Serve your rice in a plate with this stew. And the Swahili way, of course, we always need to add some kachumbari and some chili, but the chili was cooking and it didn't have some kachumbari. And not forgetting, you need to add a banana, because that's the typical Swahili way with a banana. Oh my god. So I'm gonna show you how we Swahili, we the Pwani, the Mombasa, Zanzibar people, we eat our biryani. Make sure you've cleaned your hands. Then scoop some rice and add a bit of potato, a bit of the chicken. If you have the kachumbari and the chili, mix it with a banana. Oh my god. Then scoop it and eat it. Oh my god, boom. In every scoop, like the rice will always be hitting until the spot that you want. Thank you so much for watching my video and hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and please kindly don't forget to share and to subscribe, and see you next time. Doo doo.